diamonds. I like stunning, I like shining.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Simply Bammy here again. If it's your first time stopping by, you're very welcome. I hope you stay, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll just wait for you.
I like proving wrong, I do what they say I can't. They call me cardi, banging.
Okay, this video is going to be all about how I achieved this look, so keep watching.
Hop up the stool, jump in the cool.
Okay ladies, we're starting with our lid and I'm going in with my LA Pro Glow Concealer in the shade Fun, and I'm just blending that all out using my Real Techniques Beauty Blender, and you want to make sure that you blend this very well. It's very important. Next, I'm going to be setting my concealer using my Sacha Buttercup powder, and you want to make sure that you dust off the excess powder after you're done setting. Going in with my Nubian 2 palette by Juvia's Place, I'm taking the shade Morocco and just packing that in my crease.
Chambean, chambean, pero no jalan. Tú compras todas las Jolambo, a mí me las regalan. I spend in the club, what you have in the bank. This is the new religion bank, el Latino gang, gang, yeah. Está toda servieta.
And I'll go ahead and blend that out. Next, I'm grabbing the shade Jezebel in the same palette, and I'm just putting that on top of the Morocco shade, but closer to the bottom, and I'm going to be blending it downwards. Going back in with my previous shade, don't be afraid to pack on more color until you get it exactly how you want it to be. So I'm pretty much just doing that, and I'm going to be going back into the palette and taking the same shades and just working with the same shades until it is blended as I want it.
Oh, he's so handsome, what's his name? I need the dollars to beat it up like piñata.
Next, I'm using my Saharan 2 palette, also by Juvia's Place, and I'm just taking this shade right here and I'm just applying it with my finger because I find that doing that gives me a lot more definition as opposed to just going straight in with the flat brush. But that's just my opinion. It might work differently for you, so just stick to what works best for you. So I'm just going in with my flat brush and I'm just making sure that I'm packing the color on. And mind you, I already sprayed my flat brush with my NYX setting spray. And this is I don't really know if I should call it a trick, but this is something that I usually do when I want to pack on a lot of color and it's just not working with just me dipping the brush into my palette. So I find that spraying a little bit of setting spray on your brush does the trick.
I said I like it like that. I'm a district in the chain. Certified, you know I'm gang. Drop the top and blow the brand. Oh, he's so handsome, what's his name?
Going in with the shade still in my Saharan 2 palette, and I'm just putting it in the front of my already kind of cut crease shaped thing that I have going on there, just to create this gradient effect. So I'm just going to be putting that carefully in front right there because I don't want it to go outside of the shape that I've outlined. And yeah, I'm going in with a much smaller brush just to kind of gain more control over the shadow and just kind of to get it more precise. I find that when you're doing this, it is very, very, very important that you take your time. You do not have to rush. Just take your time and have fun with it. Su cuerpo a mí me llama, tú eres lo que me
necesito esta noche en mi cama. Lo siento, mama.
I'm going back into my crease using my Morocco shade, and I just want to make sure that everything is properly blended so it has that seamless kind of transition, and there's the final look. Moving on to the face, ladies, I'm starting off with my primer, and I'm just applying that to my T-zone where I'm oily the most. And I'm going in with my Fit Me foundation by Maybelline in the shade 360, and I'm using the same beauty blender to kind of just bounce the foundation into my skin. I find that using this technique as opposed to dragging the foundation on your skin gives a more flawless blend. And underneath my eyes and to highlight, I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fun. And as usual, I'm putting that underneath my eyes, on my forehead, on my nose, the side of my face, on my chin. And I'm still using the same beauty blender to blend that highlight in. After that is done, I'm going in with the shade Dark Cocoa, still by LA Pro Girl Concealer, and I'm using my beauty blender to blend that. You want to make sure that you really blend this because you don't want to be looking like you have a mask on. I'm going in with my brush. I usually use this to blending my foundation, but I also use it when I am blending in my contour just to make sure that there are no harsh lines and everything is seamless. So I'm going in with this brush, and I'm just lightly picking up my translucent powder to set, not really to set, but to kind of just pat underneath my eyes, because I find that doing this gives me a brighter look, a brighter highlight, as opposed to just going in straight with my Sacha Buttercup powder. And I'm not really setting my face, as you can see. I'm just lightly going over it to create that bright look. And then I'm going in with my Sacha Buttercup powder. I'm still not setting. I'm just putting a little bit over the translucent powder that I have previously just kind of lightly patted onto my face. I'm going in with my contour palette shade Light, and I'm just picking one of the dark shades in there and just contouring along my nose. And I am also picking a light shade and just putting that on the bridge of my nose, and I'm going to blend that all together. And don't forget to kind of blend it in where your shadow starts. I'm going in with my favorite setting spray, my NYX setting spray. I'm actually using the dewy one this time around.
Feelings so deep in my feelings. Noticing really like
I'm highlighting my face using my highlighter by Makeup Forever, and I'm just highlighting my cheekbones. I'm gonna be highlighting my nose, my forehead, and my chin. Just highlighting everywhere that I want to kind of pop out, because you know your girl gotta glow. And I'm going in with my lip gloss. It's just a regular lip gloss that I picked up from the drugstore.
Thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what other kind of videos you would like to see on this channel. Also follow me on my social media accounts. Send your girl a message. Let me know what you think. If you haven't seen my last videos, I will leave a link to them up on the screen, so feel free to click on them, check them out. Let me know what you think. I want to know what you think. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!